What if the biggest education opportunity of the next decade isn't in classrooms or corporate training, but in building hyper-customized learning platforms that teach the skills AI can't replicate? By 2026, the world isn't just changing faster. It's demanding entirely new literacies: prompt engineering, decentralized finance analysis, AI ethics, cross-cultural remote collaboration, and adaptive problem solving. And traditional education, stuck in 20th century models, is failing to keep up. That gap isn't a crisis. It's a $340 billion market waiting for innovators who understand that the future of learning is personal, practical, and profitably niche. The EdTech boom isn't over, it's evolving. Early platforms like Coursera or Udemy solved access, but not relevance. Their one-size-fits-all video courses drown learners in content they'll never use. The next wave, next-gen EdTech is defined by hyper-customization. Imagine a platform that adapts in real time to your goals, pace, and learning style. Want to master on-chain data analysis for crypto investing? It feeds you curated dashboards, live DeFi simulations, and weekly challenges based on real market events. Training to become an AI product manager? Your curriculum blends technical primers, ethical case studies, and mock stakeholder negotiations, all generated dynamically based on your progress. This isn't theoretical. AI-powered engines now enable adaptive pathways at scale, using learner behavior, knowledge checks, and even sentiment analysis from voice or text inputs. These platforms adjust difficulty, suggest resources, and predict knowledge gaps before the learner notices them. And because they're built on modular architectures, creators can plug in niche skill modules, like Web3 community moderation or AI-augmented legal research, and monetize them as standalone micro-courses or subscription tracks. The business model is equally transformative. Instead of relying on mass enrollments, next-gen EdTech thrives on high-value, low-volume relationships. A platform teaching AI governance to compliance officers might serve only 500 users, but charge $299 a month because it delivers career-critical, up-to-the-minute insights no university offers. Others embed credentialing via NFTs or soul-bound tokens, creating verifiable, portable proof of mastery that employers actually trust. And the tools to build this are shockingly accessible. No-code course builders like Maven or Podia now integrate with AI copilots that auto-generate quizzes, summarize discussions, and even role-play as debate partners. Blockchain layers enable transparent royalty splits for guest experts. Analytics dashboards show not just completion rates, but skill gain, confidence shifts, and real-world application. But the real differentiator isn't tech. It's curriculum design rooted in future-proof skills. The most successful platforms don't teach coding. They teach building AI agents that solve small business workflow problems. They don't offer marketing. They offer growth hacking for Micro-SaaS founders using organic AI tools. This specificity attracts serious learners willing to pay premium prices for outcomes, not certificates. For solopreneurs and small teams, this is a golden window. You don't need a campus or a brand. You need deep expertise in an emerging skill, the ability to structure it into a learning journey, and the willingness to iterate with your audience. Start with a single cohort. Charge up front. Deliver transformation. Then productize. The future of work demands continuous reskilling. The future of education won't be delivered by institutions. It'll be built by practitioners who've been in the trenches, who understand what actually moves the needle in 2026 and beyond. And those who build these hyper-customized learning platforms won't just educate the next generation. They'll profit from it. If you're an expert, educator, or builder ready to shape how the world learns tomorrow, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 100x Wealth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI-driven education, Web3 innovation, and the smartest paths to creating value in the knowledge economy. Because the best time to build the future of learning was yesterday. The second best time is today.